When discussing big systems and big data, you might hear the term data lake instead of a traditional database. A data lake is essentially a massive storage space where you can dump all your raw data, whether it's unstructured log files, CSVs, or JSON files. You're not worrying about the structure up front, you just throw everything into a storage system, often something like AWS S3, which offers virtually unlimited storage capacity. You pay only for what you use and keep adding data as needed, but just having a huge pile of raw data isn't enough. To make this data useful, you need to impose some structure on it. In AWS, you can use a service called Amazon Glue to crawl through your data lake and define a schema. This allows you to query the data in S3 as if it were a structured database, using tools like Amazon Athena, which lets you run SQL queries directly on your data in S3. For larger, more complex needs, you might use Amazon Redshift, a distributed data warehouse. Redshift Spectrum allows you to query your data directly in S3, similar to Athena, but with more power and flexibility. Even when using a data lake, you still need to consider how to organize your data for optimal performance. For example, if you're dealing with log files and you know you'll need to query them by date, you should structure your data by year, month, and day. This way, you can quickly access specific data without sifting through the entire lake. In summary, a data lake is a flexible, scalable way to store large amounts of unstructured data. With tools like Amazon Glue, Athena, and Redshift, you can impose structure when needed and query your data efficiently. It's a common approach in big data applications where raw, unstructured data needs to be stored and processed at scale.